What we need to do is accelerate tools that Africans can use with AI. Why? Frérot, le nombre de personnes qui sont sur TikTok là, c'est insane. It's insane. And they figured it out. They figured out how to make money on it. They figured it out already. We're not here to babysit you. Put the tool in the hands of people, man. You keep still thinking, I know, man, my guys speak the same way. You still think that AI will not replace developers.
Yes, I believe that.
The problem that you're not understanding is the pace at which this AI phenomenon is going is unstoppable. You agree? As a matter of fact, I'm a computer scientist. Like, let me tell you what happened to us. There's been layer of abstraction that's been taken away for you guys to do things. Apple doesn't have the registers or the GPUs when he code that JavaScript React.
Yes.
Donc, je suis d'accord par contre, il faut different level of education.
Education.
Yeah.
Nous, les entrepreneurs, c'est nous qui devons accélérer la chose. Comme j'ai dit, c'est ChatGPT qui a accéléré Lovable, Bolt, toutes ces compagnies-là. By default, c'est maintenant que tu vois Microsoft lay off 30,000 people. Let alone now the US government who's now, you know what I'm saying, we don't even need people anymore. Right? Let's kick out all the immigrants. We don't need them because Amazon doesn't need background anymore. Tu get my point? It's a ripple effect, but you got to be able to see that. Au lieu de penser trop, gouvernement, je suis très près des gars. Je suis en train de fermer. Je vais même aller au Ghana essayer de les convaincre. Ils ont une campagne qui s'appelle 1 million coders. Ils ont juste lancé. Ils ne parlent pas de coders, ils disent 1 million builders. Let them build stuff. Right? The time of coding doesn't exist anymore. They'll build. Kids build and figure it out. They can still open the code, fix a couple of things, put it on GitHub, use other tools to make things happen. Right? Let them build. Right? Donc, je vais jouer ce rôle-là en tant que pioneer, doyen, whatever. What we need to do is accelerate tools that Africans can use with AI. Why? Prends TikTok. Frérot, le nombre de personnes qui sont sur TikTok là, c'est insane. It's insane. And they figured it out. They figured out how to make money on it. They figured it out already. We're not here to babysit you. Put the tool in the hands of people, man. That's my route. I mean, c'est peut-être très populiste de parler comme ça, but I've seen it with ChatGPT.
Oh, lui, là où moi j'ai un challenge, c'est ok, on met ça dans la main des gens. For me, if you don't have the foundations, I don't know what you're gonna build. That will be scalable, you know. Et c'est vrai, les jeunes vont utiliser les outils et tout, mais et c'est la raison pour laquelle je dis que je pense pas que l'IA va remplacer les développeurs. C'est parce que sans fondation, tu peux pas construire quelque chose de solide. Est-ce que tu penses pas que il y a un accent à mettre sur la formation, sur les fondations, avant même de pouvoir se jeter dans faut juste utiliser cet outil, construire quelque chose, etc.
Let's go back to the fundamental of business. Fundamental of business is you have a product people want to buy. The hard product of it is building that product. Right? You build it, mais c'est pas harder than going to market. Why do you see billions of ChatGPT? Les gars bet que is going to fail OpenAI, right? Not because of the technology or the engineers, because the market is people are not going to pay for it. We don't even know what's going to be profitable. Donc pensons en tant que business en Afrique, pas en tant que nous on nous a fatigués, nos parents nous ont fatigués d'aller à l'école tout ça. We end up being in a totally different system, bro. We still don't know our history because what we were taught in schools. Think in the future. You keep still thinking, I know, my guys speak the same way. You still think that AI will not replace developers.
Yes, I believe that.
The problem that you're not understanding is the pace at which this AI phenomenon is going is unstoppable. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. If it's unstoppable...
I mean, it's stoppable right now parce que c'est limité par...
compute power.
Like, I think
by the compute power.
But even the technology, because the road to AGI, to me, would be something that's necessary to completely replace a developer, are stalled right now.
Yeah, it's stalled. Bro, not everything stalls at some point. But there's a guy somewhere. But remember, there's at least 100,000 PhDs in AI right now.
Justement, moi, je pense je pense qu'en ce moment, on a atteint le plateau en termes d'innovation, in terms of what ChatGPT, and now we're in the optimization phase of, okay, now we know the thing, and now how can we, kind of like what DeepSeek did with thing of taking the model, finding a smarter way to train it. I think we're in that phase right now where you find optimizations. And so I think that's going to go for a while. That's where I think that we are right now.
Yeah, but
like in terms of pure,
you want to bet that in less than 6 months, another bang gonna happen. You know where they want to build data centers these days to save that?
In space. I heard
it's in what? In space?
In space.
Yeah.
Jeez, man.
It's just a payload, by the way. You just take a satellite.
Yeah.
You put the data center in it, right?
Yeah.
You load it up. There's no problem of electricity. You have to heat electricity. There's no you solve that problem. And they're doing it right now. As a matter of fact, I thought that they did it 2 years ago. They're only announcing it now. At least Jeff Bezos is talking about it. So my point is, okay. Vous êtes dans votre bubble of America. Nous, on est Africains. On est Africains. Quel est le pays africain qui va former des gens qui sont plus bons que toi? And in what period of time?
Yeah. Good question. Yeah, that's a good question.
Il y a un petit dans un village là qui est plus fort que toi sur TikTok que toi. Il parle même pas anglais.
Yep. Yeah.
How did he do it? Tu regardes tes enfants là, ma 2-year-old right now, elle est mieux sur mon Android. Elle a découvert sur mon Android que moi je savais même pas exister. You get my point?
Yeah.
They're going to be wired. Our kids going to be wired. I don't care how you want to look at it. Donc moi, je suis selfish about Africa. I'm like, all right, if I want to catch up to the junior developers qui sont bons en Chine, là, donnez les boys AI.
Donc tu veux les exposer, tu dois mettre, comme tu dis, l'innovation, c'est pas forcément relié à l'éducation, tu veux dire. C'est genre, like, get them to use the tools et ils peuvent innover s'ils ont l'accès.
All right, but where my question is, okay, you build data, right? And your team had to study the foundations of AI, right? They had to go deeper, right? Yeah. They didn't use Lovable to build data. They went very deep to build their own version of Lovable, right? Donc pour moi, s'ils n'avaient pas ces fondations, s'ils n'avaient pas appris ça, s'ils n'avaient pas ce problem-solving stuff, je pense pas qu'ils allaient être capables de construire ce que vous avez fait, right? Donc pour moi, c'est quoi? Est-ce que c'est pas mieux, au lieu de donner les outils qui sont déjà disponibles sur le marché aux jeunes, est-ce que c'est pas mieux de leur apprendre à construire leurs propres outils de ce genre?
Frérot, les premières voitures là, quand tu conduisais ça à l'époque, regarde bien l'histoire. Le gars devait understand everything about the car. He didn't have a dashboard. He needed to figure it out. These days, you have an electric car that drives itself, brother.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
You don't need to sit on it. As a matter of fact, I'm a computer scientist. Like, let me tell you what happened in computers. There's been layer of abstraction that's been taken away for you guys to do the things. Apple doesn't have the registers or the GPUs when he code that JavaScript React.
Yes.
Donc, je suis d'accord. Par contre, il faut different level of education.
Yeah.
Les gars comme Calab, les gars Kossi et autres, ça c'est des levels that you need to have more. I believe there's enough right now on the continent. 4 years ago, they said there was 700,000 professional software developers, right?
Yes.
I think that there's more now, right? That's 4 years ago. Nous, on a formé beaucoup. Et puis, les gars vont découvrir eux-mêmes. Par contre, you cannot stop this thing, bro. You cannot. The foundation is you want to abstract. For example, do you believe that in a few years, keyboard's going to disappear as a developer?
Yes. It will be. Yeah, it will be. Yeah, it will be. It will be. Yeah, I believe that for sure.
Je pense dans 5 ans, tu seras dans le bureau avec les headphones
avec les headphones and stuff and talk. Yeah, for sure.
He doesn't know if he needs to reset a computer or not because he's talking to cloud the whole time. He will never see a computer. Petit au village là-bas, avec l'application sur laquelle il peut parler, elle a dit fais-moi vendre-moi un banana, je veux vendre que blablabla. Ok, c'est buggy. Ok, c'est cette interaction qui va arriver bientôt. Donc, laissons les Africains passer au frérot. On a déjà perdu le passé.
Yes.
Les derniers 60 ans, on a perdu. The only thing we have to advantage is our population being young. Let's get them to use as much. Trust me. Les petits là, c'est eux-mêmes qui vont se débrouiller pour aller étudier ce que tu dis là. Le gouvernement ne va pas laisser. On n'a pas appris computer science parce que son école à Abidjan ou Dakar lui a dit faites computer science. C'est né en lui-même. Il s'est réveillé, il a dit let me go and do my thing.
Yes.
Il a galéré. Lui-même, il sait. Il a acheté des pistes. Il did all of that stuff, right? Il y a des jeunes qui sont comme ça, mais par contre, la masse, ils doivent savoir que maintenant, le gars peut créer sa musique en 1 minute. On a créé un truc dans la conteneur en South Africa. Si tu as le truc là, mets ça même. Je veux même écouter la vidéo. Même. Tu vas voir qu'on a créé la musique de Dala, le anthem, in less than a minute. On a prompted, he came back and said Dala. Tu vois, c'est très bien. Le petit maintenant là qui est fatigué, qui ne veut plus écouter la même fois. Je me bats souvent avec ma femme pour regarder Netflix. Elle dit, je veux ça, moi je veux ça. You know what would be great? And somebody's building it. I know somebody's building it.
Yeah, for sure.
Je parle à Netflix. Create a movie that has this for me. And has this.
That's crazy. That would be crazy. Oh my God.
Make sure Denzel Washington is an actor.
Wow. No way.
Ça va faire buffer. Ça va faire creating movie. That's what's going to happen. I don't have patience. Do you have patience watching Netflix these days? You don't.
Yeah, for sure.
Et
Jesus
it's gonna
Christ.
die. Il n'y a que les Africains qui sont dessus parce qu'ils n'ont pas vu les anciens films de 10 ans, 20 ans.